Check that out. Chicken fajitas, baby. Chicken fajitas. Let's get it. All right, family, this is everything we're gonna need. We got some onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, chicken bouillon powder, black pepper, ground cumin, smoked paprika, onion powder, chili powder, olive oil, Kobe Jack cheese, tortillas, and chicken, baby. That's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and grate our cheese. If you bought your cheese already shredded, that's all on you. It's all good. I like to shred mine. Melts better, tastes better. Plus it don't have all the anti-caking agents in it. So let's just get our cheese shredded like we want it to be, like we need it to be. Let's get it all done. There we go. Yeah. There the cheese is right there. Where the cheese? There that cheese is. Come on now. That's where that cheese. Oh yeah. Fresh grated cheese, baby. Don't get no better than that. All right. Let's cut our onion. We're going to use a half of onion. So get rid of the other half. We're going to rough julienne it. That's it. Rough julienne it. Cut them how you want to, depending on your liking. Like this. That's how I like them. So that's how I'm cutting them. Let's go ahead and get that red bell pepper. We're going to cut it in half. Let's clean the inside. Then we're going to rough julienne it the same way as we did the onion. Let's just rough julienne it. Just like that. All right, let's get that green bell pepper. Same thing. Cut it in half, clean the inside, and rough julienne it. Just like that. There you go. And there go our veggies, baby. All cut up. All right, let's season our chicken. You seen the seasonings at the beginning, so we just mixed them all together. I have the measurements in the description for you. So let's just get our chicken seasoned, get that flavor on that chicken. Make it awesome, baby. Make sure you flip it over, season both sides generously. There we go. Let's just get all our chicken seasoned. Make sure it's generally seasoned, like I said. And then we're just gonna save a little bit of that seasoning. We're gonna massage it in. Let's get them on a plate. We're gonna set it to the side. And we're gonna move on to the next step by putting some oil in our pan. Allow it to heat. There go that chicken, baby. Oh yeah, well seasoned chicken right there. We're gonna drop it in our pan, and we're gonna sear it for 3 to 4 minutes. Get a good sear on there. We're not cooking it all the way through, so just continue to get it a good sear. After 3 or 4 minutes, this is what we're looking like on one side, just like that. That's what you want. Go ahead and flip them all over. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. 3 or 4 minutes, good little sear. When it's all said and done, bye y'all. There it is right there, baby. Looks delicious. They're not quite finished yet. They're only about 85%, 90% cooked. So we're gonna throw them in the oven and finish them that way. Yeah, let's get them on our pan. There we go. And make sure you have your oven preheated to 350. There they go right there. Delicious. Get them in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. They should be finished cooking. While they're cooking, let's break out the wok. I like to do my fajitas in my wok. Cooks better. Let that oil heat. Drop your veggies in there. There we go. Now we get them bell peppers in there. Some more onions in there. There go our seasoning we saved. Let's get some more now. That's the fajita seasoning. And let's just saute those for 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how tender you like them. I like mine with a little crunch, so I only go for about 3 or 4 minutes because of the size. So after 3 or 4 minutes, there we go right there. Yeah, perfectly sauteed veggies right there, baby. All right, our chicken is ready, so let's just go ahead. I'm slicing it. You can cut it in strips. You can cut it in cubes, chunks, however you want to cut it up. It's your world. Do it how you want to. But as you can see, I'm basically just giving it a bite slice like that right there. Yeah. So I'm going to finish cutting these up, getting everything done. speed the process up a little bit. There we go. So we got our chicken cut up. Let's add some oil to our veggies a little bit. Look at that chicken. Oh yeah. Let's drop that chicken in there. And we're just gonna saute this, mix the chicken and the veggies together. Saute it for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, the chicken is done, the veggies are done. And there it is, baby. Chicken fajitas in your face. Yeah. Let's go ahead and warm up our tortillas. There we go. So we're just gonna drop them on our griddle, 45, 50 seconds on each side till they warm and pliable. You can see here, see how I can fold it so easy without it breaking? That means it's warm right there. Let's go ahead and plate it, make it presentable. And we're gonna dig into these delicious chicken fajitas. So let's just fold us some tortillas. I'm just gonna let you watch. And there it is, baby. Chicken fajitas. Let me give you a 360 view. Oh, yeah. Check that out, baby. Check that out. And there it is. All right, family. That is it. That is all. We just made some delicious chicken fajitas, y'all. Let's taste it. Let's look at it first. Look at that. Fajitas, baby. In your face. Got us a tortilla. Unfold it. Let's get us some bell peppers, some onions, and that delicious chicken we made. Yeah, that delicious chicken we made. And we're gonna hit it with some cheese, please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Chicken fajitas, baby. Now you can put sour cream, you can do guacamole. I don't really like neither one of them. So I'm just straight cheese, chicken, and veggies. Of course, the tortilla. Let's dig in. Mm-hmm. Still got a nice little crunch on my veggies. That's how I like it. You can cook them down to the tender as you want to, but I like a little crunch in mine. Some good chicken fajitas, y'all. You gotta try this recipe. All right, my family. Like, comment, share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. Also, check out my videos. Got a playlist up here, and I got a special video I picked out for you. So check them out, watch them. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, holla at your boy. I'm gone. Yeah.